The mood of meditation is the mood of sublimity itself. This sublime feeling can be described as the inner being falling into itself. The inner being bowing down to itself, surrendering into itself, so that for a short moment there is no other, no sense of otherness, no object-based perception. This is what I mean by sublime. It means to be released of oneself, to transcend oneself easily, without friction, without effort, without fear. It's a joy to feel one's life merge into that which is beyond it. At some blessed point, whose origin is unknown even to the wise, meditation becomes transformed into the meditator. The meditator arrives at immeasurable consciousness, becomes the infinite bliss of the self. This is a gift, a divine gift. No one knows the hour of arrival of such a gift. In the logic of time and space, that is the logic of the body, the human nervous system, and the finite mind, with its logic and reason, there are many so-called obstacles to becoming this infinite consciousness, this unlimited freedom, this full identity with the absolute consciousness. The mind invents reasons why it cannot be so, and then it invents formulas to teach itself how to become that. It invents teachings, paths, practices. But the most natural thing is actually to become oneself. It's the easiest thing, the most lovable thing of all. In the presence of an awakened being who has come into the full feeling of the heart consciousness, these so-called obstacles, whether they are real or imagined, can be transcended rapidly. That means there's a dissolving power that emanates out of the awakened heart, the power of dissolution itself. This dissolution impacts, penetrates into the body-mind of the recipient the heart friend, and melts the density that seems to prevent heart awakening from occurring. The gift that one who is heart awakened offers is immeasurable. It's the gift of human longing itself, resuscitated and revived within the infinite consciousness. Longing must be established, in a sense perfected, before the awakened heart can dawn in its fullness, because it is the object. I don't like that word object, but I'll use it for the time being. Because the awakened heart consciousness becomes the object of infinite longing. So the desire process itself becomes resuscitated, revived, reawakened in consciousness, in awakened consciousness. And that awakened heart force of pure desire is what discovers, what finds the immeasurable heart consciousness itself. Once wanting is freed up from its fictions and its supposed limitations, then wanting will find the well of the infinite light, love, and bliss. You've probably been told the opposite, that desire needs to be eradicated, and then you find the infinite consciousness. It's all a question of perspective.